Ever wanted to share your favorite tunes with a friend without blasting them from your speakers? Today, I'm going to show you how to use two pairs of headphones at the same time on your PC. First, the simplest method using an audio splitter. This is a small cable with one male jack that plugs into your computer's headphone port, and two or more female jacks for your headphones. Simply plug the splitter into your PC. Then plug both pairs of headphones into the splitter. This duplicates the audio output to both headphones. Easy peasy. If you prefer a software solution, Windows has you covered. Right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Open Sound Settings, then click on Sound Control Panel on the right side of the window in the Playback tab. You should see a list of your audio devices. If you don't see Stereo Mix listed, right-click in the empty space within the Playback tab and select Show Disabled Devices. Once Stereo Mix appears, right-click on it and select Enable. Now, right-click on your primary audio output device, likely your headphones or speakers, and select Set as Default Device. Then, right-click on Stereo Mix and select Set as Default Communication Device. Next, select your primary audio output device again and click Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Listen tab. Check the box that says Listen to this device in the drop-down menu below. Select the second audio output device you want to use, which will be the second set of headphones. Click Apply and then OK. And that's it. Now audio will be sent to both your primary audio output and the device you selected in the Listen tab, allowing you to share the audio with two sets of headphones. Experiment with volume levels to get the perfect balance and enjoy listening with a friend.